Welcome to Dell EMC Connectrix Cisco How-To Series. How to create a zone and add it to a zone set within Cisco Fabric Manager. Reference Dell EMC Knowledge Base article number 321162. This video was created to illustrate the steps to create a zone set and zones. How to add the zones to a zone set and activate the zone set using Cisco Fabric Manager. When to do this? There is a need to establish communication between certain initiators and targets within a fabric. Before you begin, information about zoning. What is a zone? A zone consists of multiple zone members. Members in a zone can communicate with each other. Members in different zones cannot communicate with each other. If no zone set is active in the fabric, all devices are members of the default zone. If a zone set is activated, any device that is not in an active zone is a member of the default zone. Zones can vary in size. Devices can belong to more than one zone. A physical fabric can have a maximum of 16,000 members. This includes all vSANs in the fabric. What is a zone set? A zone set consists of one or more zones. A zone set can be activated or deactivated as a single entity across all switches in the fabric. Only one zone set can be activated at any point in time. A zone can be a member of more than one zone set. Zoning can be administered from any switch in the fabric. When you activate a zone, all switches in the fabric receive the active zone set. Additionally, full zone sets are distributed to all switches in the fabric if this feature is enabled in the source switch. Zone changes can be configured non-disruptively. New zones and zone sets can be activated without interrupting traffic on unaffected ports or devices. About the Edit Local Full Zone Database tool. This tool in Cisco Fabric Manager or DCNM is used to complete the following tasks. You can display information by vSAN by using the pull-down menu without having to get out of the screen. You can use Add to Zone or Alias button to move devices up or down by alias or by zone. You can add zoning characteristics based on alias in different folders. You can rename zone sets, zones, or aliases in the tree structure. The Edit Local Full Zone Database tool allows you to zone across multiple switches, and all zoning features are available through the Edit Local Full Zone Database dialog box. Steps to create a zone set. Log in to DCNM SAN client. Select the fabric. Click on Open. Select the plus sign which is beside the fabric. In the Logical Domains pane, right-click the vSAN where you wish to create a zone set. Select Edit Local Full Zone Database. In the left pane of the resulting Edit Local Full Zone Database window, right-click on Zone Sets. In the resulting pop-up menu, select Insert. Enter a zone set name, such as Zone Set 1, then click OK. At this point, a zone set has been created. The next step is to create a zone and add members to it. Steps to create a zone and add members to the zone. Right-click on Zones. In the resulting pop-up menu, select Insert. Enter a meaningful zone name such as Host 1 Target 1 to represent both the initiator and target in the name. Click OK. Drag the end devices that needs to be zoned from the bottom pane into the new zone. Steps to add the zone to the zone set and activate the zone set. Drag the zone, Host 1 Target 1, into the zone set 1. The zone set icon changes by appending a folder icon, and it expands with a newly added zone underneath it. In the left pane, right-click the zone set 1, and choose Activate. Verify if the current active zone set is empty or non-empty. If the current active zone set is empty, click Continue Activation. The zone set is now active. If current active zone set is non-empty, a pre-activation check window pops up which prompts to review the differences. In the resulting pop-up window, click Yes. Click Close after reviewing the differences between the selected database and active zone set. Click Continue Activation. The zone set is now active. Reference the following for more information. Knowledge base article number 321162. Thank you for watching.